everyone and welcome to my channel. If you would like to subscribe, you'd be more than welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made these two scrapbook pages. Now I've put in a picture of Bluebell because it's her birthday this month, but you don't need to use that. You could have a picture of Barbie, you could have a picture of a Disney princess, or you could have a picture of any of your dolls at all. I think that would be really nice. Come and join me and watch me make the video. Today we are going to work on making a scrapbook page for Bluebell. So all I've done is cut my paper to the size of my book, and you need to cut it to whatever size you want. This is a strange size book, but I'm using 8x8 paper. So what I'm going to do is I've already got a lot of my stuff stuck with, and I've used my ATC gun here, and I've put a lot of the glue on there because you just don't want to sit and watch me putting glue on. So I've sort of prepared it. So I'm going to do today, I'm going to make strips on my paper. So I'm just going to lay them on sort of how I want them to be. Right, just make sure when you're doing these papers, if you ever use sort of, and you want to do a paper like one like this, what you need to make sure is that if you've got writing or pictures, you've got them the right way up. It looks really silly if you don't. Basically, I just want to sort of have it so that it's going like that, and then this one I'm going to put, which way is the writing on that one? Yeah, that's okay, and the writing's going downwards on that one. There we go. Okay, and then I've got this piece is my backing for my photograph. I'm going to pop that one on like that. I'm just placing these on at the moment, I'm not pushing them down too hard. And then I've got my photograph, so that if I decide that I really don't want it and I want to move it, I can do. There we go. Line that one up. And then I've got my little girl. So this came in a pack like this, and this is the whole pack together. It's a really pretty pack. Everything is already cut out, you just have to push it out of the paper. And there's bits and pieces inside as well which you can cut out, so it's a lovely little pack. All I did was I took my pieces which were already punched out, and I put a foam tab, one of these little foam tabs, I cut them really small with an old pair of scissors, so that I could get a tiny rim, and I don't know if you can see that, how it's lifted up there. So I've just cut them really small, and I just wanted to place it so it was sort of sitting there with Bluebell on the top. Okay, and then I got these lovely little flowers which I'd found, and I thought they were really pretty, and I'm going to put those on, and they just came in a pack. That was a sticker pack. So I'm putting that one there, and then I'm putting the smaller one just over this side. And they don't match so well with the yellow paper, but they match beautifully with the purple, and I thought I wanted to have something which was just about the same. Yeah, I think I might put it sort of here. Yeah, I quite like that. Let's put that one there. And then I've got another little one here, but I want to make sure I've got enough room to put my sentiment in. And I thought that was a really nice sentiment there for her. That's it. There we go. Take life as it comes, and I think she's probably doing that the way she's just sat there on the grass, and that looks really, really cute. I just have a little tiny tag here which came with the butterfly, with the garden things, so I'm going to pop that one on, and I think that looks really cute. I'm wondering, yeah, I might stick that on as well. Stick that one on there, so I quite like the way that stick goes on there like that. And I have the most tiniest butterfly here, let's see if I can get it off, which I'm going to stick on top of my tag, not on the bottom of my tag, I think, just like that. And there we go, and that's that page finished. And I'll whip over and do exactly the same with the other one, and then I'll come back and let you see how they look. Okay. So I'm just going to put in the writing. I'll show you how I get my thing lined up if you've got a mat. If not, you can just use a piece of paper and just draw some lines onto it. you can get these rulers in Poundland, nice long rulers if you can get one. If not, you can just use a 12-inch one with a piece of paper which is slightly bigger than your piece of paper. Get your paper lined up on the squares on your mat or on your paper, and then go along, and I'm just putting my ruler on that one is 3/4 of an inch from the top of the paper, and I'm going to put that on both sides just like that, and then I will work out where the middle of my piece of paper is, and I will put that so that the line of the middle is right there. And then when I do the next one, I would just leave it so that it's got the same gap as all the way along. So I'm just doing like that, and I should be able to get it so it's lining up absolutely exact with that. That's good. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, that's it. There we go. So you can measure your gaps in between. There we go. So that's that one. Put a little sticky dot on there, and then we are done. That, and all you do is just take your ribbon or whatever you've got, stick it down on it, and it's like what comes off the front of magazines and that type of thing. I don't know if you can see it, it's very clear, and you just put that on like that, and that will hold that in place. So that's that one done. I will write on the other one, and then I will come back. So doing it this way really helps, because not only can you get the spacing right like that, but when you actually put the two pictures together, you'll find that you've got them at the same height, because I've come down 3/4 of an inch on this one, and I've come down 3/4 of an inch on this one. So this just helps you get everything lined up and sat nicely together. So let's just push that one over a tiny bit. There you go. Okay, that's that done. Stick my ribbon on. There we go. And that's it, and there we have our two pictures. So you can either have them like this, Fun March, or you can have them like that and have March Fun, and I think I'm going to have March Fun. I think that looks nicer. Tell me what you think, Fun March or March Fun. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.